Welcome to our new video. In this video, I will show 3 mistakes that every CPA and affiliate marketers make on Google Ads. And by this mistake, they lose their money without getting any profit. They choose both of these search network and display network option. For CPA marketers, most usable is search network because by using this network you can get leads and many other things. But for affiliate marketers, they can also use this display network for selling their product. But if you are a CPA marketer, then you should choose only the search network. If you choose the both network when you are promoting a CPA offer, then your money got wasted. Don't do this again. Second problem they make, they don't select the targeted locations, and if they choose the targeted location, they make this type of mistakes at here. You can see there is written people in or who show interest in your targeted locations recommended. So if we choose this option, then that means we will not get our targeted locations and we will get the interested people at that location. And another thing is you can get leads by using this option because the targeted country people will also show the ad, and the people are interested in that country, they will also show the ad. That's why this option will not chosen by us, and if we choose this option, then we lose our money without getting leads. We have to choose people in or regularly in your location, targeted locations. Okay, that means only that country people will get the ad. Other thing is, if we choose this option, people searching for your targeted locations, that means if we go on Google and searching for something, if we go on here and go on the see all settings option, and on the lower section there is option for religion settings. That means I can choose my targeted location results at here. That means if I choose United States at this here and save it, and Google say your performance has been saved. Now click on OK. Now they will fill up a captcha at here. If I fill up the captcha, now I will show the USA related ads at here, and that country targeted ads I can show it here. That means if I choose this option or this option, the people from not the country, they will also show the ad by this facility of Google. Facility of Google of targeted location, they will also show our ad, so we only have to choose this middle option at here. Okay, or we will lose our money. The third problem they make, they use the shorten link at this option.